Welcome to the monthly budget overview video, focusing on understanding income, expenses, and savings. Basic financial literacy can help you achieve financial freedom, reduce stress, and take control of your financial health. What is a budget? A budget is a plan for how money is earned, spent, saved, and managed. It helps prioritize needs over wants and gives you control, reducing financial stress. Budgeting matters because it helps you avoid overspending and supports your financial goals. It prepares you for emergencies and builds healthy money habits. Income is defined as money you receive regularly. Examples include your primary job, side income, and other sources like benefits or freelance work. Here is a sample monthly budget. It tracks income from a primary job and side income, totaling $3,650 in actual income. Fixed expenses are bills that stay mostly the same each month. Examples include rent, utilities, phone bill, insurance, and transportation, totaling $1,750 in the sample. Variable expenses are expenses that change month to month. These include groceries, gas, dining out, and entertainment, totaling $740 in the sample. Some helpful budgeting tips include tracking every dollar and reviewing your budget weekly. Remember to adjust as life changes, prioritizing progress over perfection. For reflection, consider what expense surprised you most and what category you could reduce. Establish one budgeting goal for next month. The budget versus actual concept compares what you plan to spend versus what you really spend. The difference indicates whether you are over or under budget.